Tired of a strict keto diet and looking for a way to enjoy more carbs without derailing your progress? In this video, we'll master the art of carb ups on keto, specifically how to do it without causing insulin spikes. Perfect for the busy career-driven mom, these strategies will allow you to enjoy the flexibility of keto while maintaining your health goals. Having navigated the keto journey myself and helping numerous working moms, I understand the importance of balancing strict keto rules with real-life demands. Mastering carb ups without spiking insulin is the key to long-term success with the keto lifestyle. Let's dive into the world of carb ups, a game changer for anyone on the ketogenic diet, especially for the go-getter, career-driven moms out there. Carb ups, also known as carb refeeds, are like a mini holiday for your body within the keto landscape. They're planned increases in carbohydrate intake, strategically placed to replenish your glycogen stores, give you a boost of energy, and prevent your metabolism from hitting a snooze button. Now, you might be thinking, hold on, doesn't keto mean low carb? Absolutely, but here's where the magic of carb ups come in. By occasionally adding more carbs to your diet, you're not just giving your body a break from the usual low-carb routine, but also enhancing the overall sustainability of your keto journey. It's like a breath of fresh air that keeps you going strong. Carb ups can also step up your athletic game. A study published in the Journal of Sports Medicine and Physical Fitness found that athletes who incorporated carb refeeds into their low-carb diets experienced improvements in their performance, showing that this strategy can be a win-win for both your health and your fitness goals. However, it's crucial to do carb ups right to avoid the unwanted insulin spikes that can kick you out of ketosis. It's all about balance and timing, ensuring that you maintain the benefits of ketosis while enjoying the flexibility of adding more carbs to your diet. For busy moms juggling work, family, and fitness, carb ups can be a powerful tool in your keto arsenal. They keep you energized, motivated, and on track within your health goals. By strategically incorporating carb ups, you can enjoy a more flexible and sustainable approach to keto, making it easier to stick with in the long run and ensuring that you're fueling your body in a way that supports your busy lifestyle. When it comes to mastering carb ups on keto, the types of carbs you choose are just as important as the timing. It's not about indulging in a free-for-all carb fest. It's about making smart choices that align with your keto goals. Enter the world of low glycemic index carbs. These are the superheroes of the carb world, providing you with the energy boost that you need without sending your insulin levels on a roller coaster ride. Low GI foods like sweet potatoes, quinoa, and berries are your best friends for carb ups. They release glucose into your bloodstream at a slower, steadier pace, helping you maintain stable blood sugar levels and keep those pesky insulin spikes at bay. This is crucial for keeping your body in fat-burning mode and making the most out of your keto diet. These nutrient-rich choices not only provide the energy boost that you need, but also come packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, supporting your overall health and well-being. Incorporating these low GI carbs into your diet can make your carb ups more enjoyable and less stressful. You can savor the flavors of these wholesome foods without worrying about derailing your keto progress. Plus, they offer the perfect opportunity to add variety into your meals, keeping your diet interesting and satisfying. As a busy career-driven mom, you know the importance of fueling your body with the right nutrients to keep up with your demanding schedule. By choosing low GI carbs for your carb ups, you're not only supporting your keto journey, but also ensuring that you have the steady energy that you need to tackle your day with confidence and vitality. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to carb ups on a ketogenic diet. It's not just about what you eat, but when you eat it. The strategic timing of your carb ups can make a significant difference in maintaining ketosis and managing insulin levels. It's like a well-choreographed dance between your carb intake and your body's metabolic state. One of the best times to schedule your carb ups is around workouts. It's a strategic move that can optimize your insulin sensitivity and enhance your performance, all while keeping you on track with your keto lifestyle. High-intensity exercise such as HIIT or weightlifting creates an ideal environment for your carb up. During these workouts, your muscles are primed to absorb glucose thanks to the increased demand for energy. A study published in the American Journal of Physiology found that high-intensity exercise significantly enhances glucose uptake by muscle cells, improving overall insulin sensitivity. By timing your carb up around those workouts, you're ensuring that the extra carbs are put into good use, fueling your muscles and replenishing glycogen stores rather than spiking your insulin levels. Pairing carb ups with exercise can also help you maintain your exercise intensity and endurance while on a ketogenic diet. With the added energy from carbs, you're better equipped to push through tough workouts and continue making progress in your fitness journey. For busy career-driven moms, finding time for exercise can be challenging, but incorporating carb ups into your workout routine can make your efforts more effective and efficient. It's a way to ensure that you're fueling your body appropriately for the demands that you're placing on it, supporting your health, and staying aligned with your keto goals. Another strategic time for carb ups is during periods of increased stress. Stress can raise cortisol levels, which can in turn increase blood sugar levels and potentially kick you out of ketosis. By incorporating a carb up during these times, you can help stabilize your blood sugar and mitigate some of the negative effects of stress on your body. It's also worth considering the timing of your carb ups in relation to your overall lifestyle and schedule. For busy moms who are juggling work, family, and personal time, finding the right balance is key. You might find that a carb up in the evening helps you unwind and relax after a long day, or that a carb up on the weekend fits better with your social and family commitments. Incorporating strategic timing into your carb up approach allows you to harness the benefits of increased carbohydrate intake while staying aligned with your keto goals. It's all about listening to your body, understanding your unique needs, and making informed choices that support your health and well-being. Listening to your body is like tuning into a personal radio station that broadcasts your unique needs and responses. It's a crucial aspect of mastering carb ups on a ketogenic diet. Understanding your body's signals and adjusting your carb intake accordingly can make a significant difference in how you feel and how effectively you reach your health and fitness goals. When you pay attention to how you feel after a carb up, you're gathering valuable information. Do you feel energized and ready to tackle your workout, or do you feel sluggish and bloated? These responses can guide your future decisions about when and how much to carb up. For example, if you notice that certain types of carbs leave you feeling great, while others don't sit well with you, you can adjust your choices accordingly. It's also important to be mindful of any changes in your weight, mood, or energy levels following a carb up. These can be indicators of how well your body is responding to the increased carb intake. If you're consistently feeling off after a carb up, it might be a sign that you need to tweak your approach, such as reducing the amount of carbs or choosing different types. For busy career-driven moms, listening to your body can also mean acknowledging when you need to prioritize rest and recovery over a strict adherence to a diet plan. If you're going through a particularly stressful period or you're feeling run down, it might be beneficial to ease up on the carb restrictions temporarily to support your overall well-being. By tuning into your body's signals and responding with thoughtful adjustments to your carb intake, you're not just following a diet. You're engaging in a dynamic, personalized approach to nutrition that respects your body's unique needs and supports your journey towards health and fitness. I'm curious, have you tried carb ups on your keto journey? What was your experience like? Share in the comments below. Now, if you're ready to put this into action, I want you to download my carb cycling cheat sheet to unlock the secrets of balancing carbs for optimal fat loss and energy. This cheat sheet will guide you through the process of incorporating carb ups into your diet in a way that works best for your body and your goals. Click the link in the description below to get your free cheat sheet and start mastering carb cycling. If you enjoyed this video and want to dive deeper into optimizing your keto lifestyle, don't miss our next video in the series, High Protein versus Cyclical Keto, which is best for hormones. See you in the next video.